What do you do for a living? Okay, what do you do for a living?
For a living です。For a living です。
What do you do? お仕事なんですか？
What? お仕事なんですか？ I work for a pharmaceutical company.
Pharmaceutical company. Very, very good.
Before coming to this seminar, I have been studying English since I was a junior high school student. Probably I was 13 or 14 years old. So I think I have much experience learning English, but mainly I learned reading in English. So about speaking and listening in English, I was not confident. And in this seminar for the past 2 days, I have learned the key points to speak in English. I remember the phrase info plus emotion is conversation, or to using and so, or because this is so important to speak English. And the conversation is mainly question and comment, and so on and so forth. And in addition, I have learned many useful words, new words and phrases. That's really useful, I think. So, after this seminar, I will use English in my company for my job. For example, I have a meeting with a global team. During the meeting, I will try to communicate in English more and more and more. So, my goal is communicate with many other foreign staff members in English, and I'd like to widen my job. So, in my conclusion, since tomorrow, practice, 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 and practice. I'm confident now I will be able to get the goal. Thank you very much.